Meaning of inroad.
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 Inroad. The word inroad refers to an incursion or invasion into a territory or domain. It can also refer to a sudden or hostile attack on something, such as an idea or practice. In the context of a business strategy, an inroad may mean gaining entry into a new market or customer base. In general, an inroad can be positive or negative depending on the situation. Positive inroads may lead to increased growth and success, while negative inroads may result in losses or setbacks. Ultimately, the success of an inroad depends on factors such as planning, timing, and execution.